Guys, we got a windy December day. We just saw some ducks. There's a big duck right there. Some ducks are off the road.
Should I take him?
No, he's kind of high. Watch. Oh, him. It's a hen. Wait. That was bad. Alright. Well, interrupted the intro. Got a little trigger happy there. But we scared up a few hundred teal here. There's some big ducks flying around. Right here, teal front. We're gonna get after them.
Nice.
Oh, he didn't die. No, you're limited on shells.
Go get his ass.
Alright, watch out. There he is. Cribble shots didn't want to work. But yep. He even gets set up in here. Oh! But yeah, we're gonna get in here. Should be a good hunt.
Dude. If you still on the
Right
other
front. I mean, we always can. I just didn't bring my chairs. You want to take that one that's like that?
Is that one right? Is that a
Yeah,
bird?
it's a bird right there. You want to take him? It's a hen. Hold on, look at these, look at these. Right here, in front, right? Take that one, take that one. Miss?
Yeah.
How do you feel shooting sitting down? Just one shot.
Huh?
Just take easy shots and one shot at a time, dude. Okay?
Alright.
Are you good right there? I would say sit down. Did you shoot sitting down? Did you shoot sitting down? Dude, even take the buckle off your shooting sight if you need to. So you can get a good shoulder. That was plenty close, dude. Just calm down. I'll show you how it's done on the next one. How about that? Right here. Right here. Oh, he's spooked. See what I'm saying? Just shoot sitting down, dude. Unbuckle right here. Just shoot sitting down. One shot. You're shooting one shot. That's it, okay? On the water. On the water. On the water. Alright, Noah's picking up his first teal. So now we're sitting at 3. This has been wild. Crazy action. We have a couple trying to come in right now. We're just gonna take our time, make good shots, but I'm gonna pick out all drakes for sure. This is crazy. But he has one trying to land on his head right now. Yeah, it's gonna be a good old teal shoot right here for December. Oh boys, I didn't get that on camera, but that's my third. This is going crazy. Teal in here are thick. I forgot to bring shells. I think we're good here. Oh, maybe. It's gonna make me run a little bit. God, you're beautiful. You're mine. I didn't even see him. He was on the water, huh? it Drake?
Huh?
Is it a Drake?
Yeah.
Alright, let's try to pick out Drakes, dude. Seems like a lot of them are Drakes anyway, but you know.
It's fucking Drake.
I didn't see him. Low, I see him on deck. Yep, see him. I should have shot him sooner. No, he's just being dumb. He's just having a hard time getting out here in the wind. Come here, big dog. Got you in the eyeball. Right up front. Damn. I know. Took enough. Get ready. It's a hen. That's my limit. Dude, I still said that one. I said, oh, it's...
You just shot a limit?
all Drakes too. I was like, oh, it's a hen. And then the Drake came out of nowhere and I smoked him. That is like a 30-minute limit at 1 in the afternoon. That's insane. Pure joy right now, dude. We're like on the very end of the public ground. Like, not like we're on the border, but like on the end of the public ground that has water. Jesus. Oh my God, dude. I'll get in here. Unload my gun and watch you. Some of those may be bigger ducks. Right here up front. Take that one, take that one. That was close enough, dude. As soon as they pump those air brakes on, dude, take them. Oh my God. Nice, I didn't even see that one. Good job. Is it Drake? Oh, 2 big ducks down there. 2 big ducks down there. It's a hen. It did it though. God, that was so many birds. It's a hen, right? Yeah. More coming. Got the limit here. I shot all 6 greenleaf teal Drakes. He shot 3 Drakes and 3 hens. Look at this beauty. Probably the biggest stud we have. It's absolute stud. But took us about an hour and a half. They slowed down a little bit, so the last couple took a while, but we finally got them. So we're gonna go ahead, pick up the decoys, get on out of here. It's been a good one.